Ever had that moment where you start a new season of a show and have absolutely no idea what happened in the last one? You're not alone. An Amazon Prime Video thought they had the perfect high-tech solution: AI-generated video recaps. Imagine a quick, bite-sized video that uses AI to analyze a show, pick out the key plot points, and whip up a summary complete with an AI voiceover and clips from the series. Sounds pretty neat, right? A futuristic way to get you caught up in seconds. Well, that was the idea. Amazon started testing this feature last month on some of their biggest shows, like Tom Clancy's Jack Ryan, Bosch, and the brand new, massively popular series, Fallout. The goal was simple. When you're about to start, say, Season 2, a little AI-powered recap would pop up on the show's page to refresh your memory. A convenient, modern solution for the binge-watching era. But, as many of us have learned, sometimes the high-tech dream doesn't quite match the reality. And in the case of Amazon's AI recaps, the reality was, well, a little bit glitchy. It turns out AI might not be the best storyteller just yet, especially when it comes to the complex worlds we love to get lost in. The experiment hit a major snag with none other than Fallout. The show, based on the iconic video game series, has a rich and detailed lore that fans know inside and out, and that's where the AI stumbled. And plot. And for a fan base that cares deeply about the details, it was a big deal. The AI recap, however, completely missed this crucial detail. It confidently stated that the flashbacks featuring one of the main characters Getting the date wrong completely undermines the core concept of the show's lore. But the mistakes didn't stop there. The AI narrator, with its classic monotone delivery, also botched a key character interaction. It summarized a pivotal scene by saying, "The ghoul gives Lucy McLean a simple choice: die or leave with him on a quest to find her father." Now, if you've seen the show, you know it's way more complicated than that. The actual choice was more like she could go with the ghoul, or she could stay behind. But staying behind wasn't a death sentence from him. It just meant she would be vulnerable and at risk of an attack from another faction, the Brotherhood of Steel. The AI's oversimplification stripped the scene of all its nuance and tension. turning a complex moral dilemma into a generic black-and-white ultimatum. It lost the very thing that makes the show's writing so compelling. These weren't just isolated incidents. Similar issues were likely present in the recaps for other shows included in the test, like The Rig and Upload. An AI can analyze data and recognize patterns, but can it truly understand context, subtext, and the emotional weight of a story? Based on this experiment, the answer seems to be a resounding not yet. It was spitting out information without comprehension. So, what happened next? Well, Amazon did what any company would do when their new shiny toy starts breaking in public. They quietly took it away. The AI-powered video recaps have vanished. They are no longer appearing on the pages for Fallout, Jack Ryan, or any of the other shows that were part of the test. 1 minute they were there, a glimpse into the future of streaming, and the next they were gone without a trace. It's a pretty clear sign that the test didn't go as planned. Amazon hasn't made a big public statement about it, but the quiet removal speaks volumes. The technology, in its current state, just wasn't ready for prime time. This whole episode is a fascinating case study in the current state of artificial intelligence. But this shows us the limitations. Storytelling is a deeply human art form. It relies on empathy, cultural understanding, and an intuitive grasp of what makes a narrative compelling. A machine can process the script, identify characters, and even track plot events. But it struggles with the why. Why is a character's choice so difficult? What makes a particular piece of lore so important to the world building? The Fallout recap failed because it couldn't grasp the why, and so it just presented a jumbled, inaccurate collection of what. It also raises questions about the future of content curation. Do we want our stories summarized by machines? On one hand, the convenience is tempting. A quick, automated catch-up sounds great in theory. But on the other hand, we risk losing the soul of the story. Fan-made recaps, or even the previously on segments created by the show's actual editors, are crafted with an understanding of the narrative. They know what moments to highlight to build suspense and remind you of key emotional arcs. They are, in a sense, part of the storytelling themselves. An AI, at least for now, can't replicate that human touch. It's the difference between a checklist of events and a compelling narrative. So, where does Amazon go from here? It's unlikely they'll give up on AI entirely. The potential for cost saving and efficiency is just too great for a company like Amazon to ignore. This was likely just a public beta test that revealed the system needs a lot more work. They'll probably go back to the drawing board, feed the AI more data, and try to teach it the nuances of storytelling. Maybe one day they'll roll out a version 2.0 that can actually tell the difference between 1950s America and the retro-futuristic world of 2077. This is a good reminder for all of us to be critical consumers of a regenerated content. It can be a powerful tool, but it's not infallible. For now, if you need to get caught up on Fallout, you're probably better off finding a great video from a fan on YouTube, or reading a summary from a dedicated entertainment site. The human touch, it seems, still reigns supreme when it comes to telling a good story. What do you think? Is AI-powered creative content the future? Or are some things, like storytelling, best left to humans? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'm really curious to hear your take on this.